Artist, how are you? Myself, Aman, and today I am going to talk about weather. And today the date is, I think, 30 May. So, if you're talking about the India nowadays, there is too much summer is going on every part of India. So many union territories of India as well as so many states of India, and it is not happening only India, it is also happening so many outside country of the world. So this problem is happening day by day. The temperature of the environment is increasing day by day, and that's why our life is going to be very bad. Our life is going to be very worse, because when you feel very heat, very hot, then you cannot feel comfortable, you cannot live a perfect life. So we need to aware about this, what is the reason. That's why we are facing the temperature is going to be high day by day. So the main reason is uh, our care, our laziness, you can say, our laziness, because we are going to be become very lazy person. We have become very lazy person. That's why we are facing this problem. What does it mean? It means when you feel uh, a little heat, when you feel a little summer in your house, then you go to market and you purchase different type of the electronic component which give you some cold air, some cool air, but you don't know what type of the gas they are releasing every time, every second. That type of gas harm to our environment. That type of gas make the causes of the global warming. Do you know about this? Because global warming is the one of the biggest disease of this environment, which make worse to everything of this environment. That's why the temperature is going to be high day by day. So we need to aware about this, that how can we overcome the problem of the global warming, and how can we overcome the problem of this heat, how can we overcome the problem of the temperature. Because nowadays most of the state, the temperature of the most of the state over has crossed the has crossed the more than 40 Celsius. I think it is small, I think more than 45 Celsius. And the temperature of the Delhi is also so much high. That temperature of the different type of the state of India is also going to be very high. That's why people are facing very big problem. And you are listening day by day news of from different state of India, that some place AC AC has burned, some place this thing happened. So the main cause of this is summer. The main cause of this is very the heat, which is going to be very high. And if we want to protect ourselves from this type of the problem, then we'll have to be aware. What type of the awareness we should apply in our life? The main awareness is we have to become very struggle person, and we have to become very hard worker person. If you can become a hard worker person, if you can become the very struggler person, of course you can overcome the problem of this. But because when we earn more than 1 lakhs money every year, then we try to purchase different type of car. When we go to market and purchase different type of car, and then we purchase different type of we purchase costly car. And that we purchase the type of car to show to show the people, to show our neighbors, to show the other people. But that car does not help you anyway, because when you will run that car, when you will drive that car, then that car will release immense energy from his silencer. That type of and that type of the dirty energy, that type of the smoke, that type of the fuel which is burning in the in that type of the vehicles make worse to our environment. That's why we the heat of the amount of the carbon dioxide will increase in our environment. And when the amount of the carbon dioxide will increase in our environment, then of course heat will also increase. And the day when heat will also increase, at day glacier and different type of the thing is going to will be worse. So we should need that we should take some step for to overcome this type of problem. If we will not do, then of course nobody can stop to going to be rushed. I mean nobody can save to us because if you want to save to yourself, then you can, other nobody will help you. So we should take some good step, and if you have money, then try to purchase a small type of vehicle, that type of vehicle which release very small amount of smoke. Don't show to any one person that I have money and I am I drive I drive this big car. Don't show to anyone people. If you will show, of course, you will face problem. You are you are making very bad environment. If you will make this type of the bad environment, then you cannot live a happy life. You will be face the problem of the heat. You will face the problem of the season because you are doing wrong. And the second thing, nowadays we are cutting too much tree. We are cutting so many tree from different type of forest, and we use that tree, so many tree to unnecessary thing, that like that so many tree are cutting every day to make a cigarette. You know about this fact? To make a cigarette, there are so many trees cutting day by day. And what does we get? What do we get? We get nothing, because cigarette does not help you anyway. It make your wrong health. I mean it make your bad health. It make your worse health. So we should aware about this, that how can we protect ourselves from this type of disease which is happening day by day. If you can understand, and when you will start to plant a one tree in your house, most of the people when they build his house, when they make his house, they set different type of AC, different type of cooler in our house. But you don't know that that type of acid, that type of cooler release every time chlorofluorocarbon, and that type of this gas is very harmful gas which make worse to our environment. So we should aware about this, that if you are facing, if you feel a little bit heat, don't need to purchase different type of the electronic component which give you cold air. If you will go to purchase that type of the things, of course you can, you try to I mean try to what beat up that type of problem. If you feel a little bit heat, don't need to purchase any type of this. If you will go to purchase any type of this, any type of the cooler, you can. And then, and in the future when heat will increase, because then you will go to market and you will purchase more costly gadgets of electronic, and that gadgets will not help you to make you cold. They will only they will only release different type of the gas which will harm to our environment, which will worse to our environment. So we should aware, and we should give the we should add a lesson in our school. We should add a subject in our school, and in that subject we should only teach to our student that how can we protect our environment. Because no matter what is how much we have grown in technology, no matter how many type of the buildings we have made, no matter how many type of the road we have made, no matter how many type of the bridge we have made, no matter how much we are smart, if we are not connected with nature, if we are not connected with nature, nobody can stop us to becoming to ruin. I mean nobody can save us. If you want to save us, then you can save to yourself. So we should aware about that how can we protect ourselves from this type of disease, from this type of the problem which create big problem in our life. So we should avoid, we should aware about this, and I will see you in the next video. And okay, bye.